Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about joinhoney.com. Okay, so is this platform legit or it's another scam? You should use this platform or not? Does they really provide you some benefits or not? So in this video we will cover lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this platform, basically this platform is approx like 13 years from now, and in the period of 13 years they have good reputation on internet. Like you can see over on Google Play Store, they have 5 million downloads with the rating of 1.2 star. So it means the rating is not too good. Okay, so the rating is really so much in the amount of so much, but the you can say like stars is not too good. Okay, and all are complaining, like you can say they are not getting benefits. Okay, and we talk about like the Trustpilot reviews. Yes, they have also Trustpilot reviews. On Trustpilot they have lots of reviews. Okay, but they like most of the users, like 15% user, 15% is a very big amount, and the average rating is like 2.0. This is also not too good star ratings. Okay, and you can see like there is a lots of comments is like they are not getting benefits, and they are not, you can say like they are using, but when they try to get their money they are not able to get the benefits. Okay, so it means their overall experience is not too good. Okay, and if we talk about you should use this platform or not, so basically the platform is legit, we can say, in the terms of presentation, because the platform is very old, but there are lots of positive reviews also. So if we talk about like the problems, so basically everyone, you can like condition is different, everyone condition is different. Maybe someone is don't know how to use this platform, what are the terms and conditions to getting rewards from this platform. So my suggestion is only this: yes, the platform is looking legit, but if we talk about like the reward, the benefits, and you can like the platform is giving rewards or not, we don't have any real experience, because we don't have so much, you can say like reviews available, real reviews available on internet. So these are the only option, like Trustpilot and you can say like Play Store. But on the basis of Trustpilot and you can say like Trustpilot and Play Store, we can say like this platform is not looking like a worthy. Okay, but now question comes, if you have any experience on this platform, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so if you have any experience, please share your experience, and please provide your experience. Your experience save lots of money for other people's, and it will provide a genuine review. Okay, so this is the information. Hopefully this video will helpful. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.